Please do subscribe, like, hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. This channel provides detailed information that concern with health. Best Healthy Snacks 2019. When those mid-afternoon hunger pangs hit at work, it's tempting to head straight to the vending machine or raid your co-worker's candy bowl, but that usually leads to some empty calories and a sugar crash. So how can you make healthier snack choices and get that much-needed energy boost? Stock your up on these healthy snacks so you can stay productive and be the office hero by sharing them with your work buddies. Whatever you're craving, you'll be able to just reach into your desk drawer to satisfy it with one of these tasty options. Before we get started with the video, click the link below, guide on how I lose 14 pounds in just 2 weeks, 100% legit. Best Variety, Healthy Snacks Care Package. If you're responsible for buying the office snacks or you just want lots of delicious choices in your personal stash, this assortment of bars and chips is a fantastic deal. It includes 28 healthy, all-natural, low-calorie snacks, with a delicious mix of savory and sweet options. They're all individually wrapped, full-size servings and don't contain any artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. All the snacks are GMO-free and include favorites such as Kind Bars, Popcorners, Sahale Snacks, Brothers All-Natural Fruit Crisps and the Better Chip Chips. They come in an attractive gift box made from 100% recycled materials. Best Sweet, Nature's Bakery Stone Ground Whole Wheat Fig Bars. A Snickers bar might be calling your name, but you'll feel a lot better if you reach for one of these sweet and healthy fig bars from Nature's Bakery. Made with wholesome and all-natural ingredients, these soft-baked bars are filled with real fruit. They're so delicious that you'd never guess that these bars are cholesterol-free and dairy-free, and contain no trans fat. This variety pack contains 36 bars, with a mix of apple cinnamon, blueberry and raspberry flavors. And if your sweet craving is screaming for chocolate, Nature's Bakery also makes a double chocolate brownie bar. Best Savory, Sahale Snacks Thai Cashews Glazed Mix. If you're having one of those uninspired days at work, sometimes a savory snack can help get you out of your funk. These tasty Thai cashews from Sahale Snacks might just do the trick. Inspired by the tangy taste of Thai food, the mix combines whole dry roasted cashews, peanuts, sweet pineapple and toasted sesame seeds, which are then glazed with sake, rice vinegar, soy sauce and lemongrass. This snack is GMO-free, gluten-free, and made with no artificial preservatives, colors or flavors. The convenient 120-calorie packs are resealable, in case you don't eat it all at once, which you may find impossible with this flavorful mix. Best Salty, Skinny Pop Popcorn. The delicious and satisfying Skinny Pop popcorn will help you avoid one of the biggest office breakroom sins, burning your microwave popcorn. Made with sunflower oil and containing no artificial colors, flavors or preservatives, this all-natural popcorn is also a lot healthier than the microwave version. It's gluten-free, made of non-GMO ingredients and an excellent source of dietary fiber. These convenient, individually packed bags are only 100 calories, making portion control a cinch. If you prefer cheese over sea salt, Skinny Pop also has a white cheddar flavor. You'll get 6 bags in this pack, so you can always leave a couple of them at home for movie night. Best Crunchy, Terra Original Chips with Sea Salt. While those greasy potato chips in the vending machine are awfully tempting, Terra chips are a tasty and much healthier option that you won't regret soon after eating. Gluten-free and vegan, they're made with a blend of real vegetables, including yucca, sweet potato, parsnip, taro and batata. They also contain no cholesterol, trans fat or artificial flavors and preservatives. You'll get 24 1-ounce bags, which are perfect to satisfy that 3 p.m. craving for something crunchy and salty. Best Nutty, Blue Diamond Almonds. Almonds are the perfect office snack because they'll fill you up and curb your appetite, so you won't find yourself hungry again soon after eating them. In addition to being an excellent source of energy, almonds are also heart-healthy, containing unsaturated fats, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. It's easy to go overboard with almonds since they're so delicious, but these convenient Blue Diamond 100-calorie packs will help you keep your portions under control. You'll get 32 grab-and-go bags, so you can also keep some in your bag in case hunger strikes during your commute. If you prefer almonds that pack a bit more punch, Blue Diamond also offers bold sriracha and wasabi and soy flavors. Best Bar, Kind Bars, Dark Chocolate Nuts and Sea Salt. Packed with fiber and protein, Kind Bars are really the perfect, delicious and satisfying snack when you need a pick-me-up treat at work. Kind Bars are known for being made from simple, wholesome ingredients that you can see and pronounce, and they're much more flavorful than many other health bars. One of their best sellers, their Dark Chocolate Nuts and Sea Salt bar, is a sweet and salty blend of peanuts, walnuts and almonds drizzled with chocolate and just a bit of sea salt. It's also low in sugar and gluten-free. If you get bored eating the same flavor all the time, you can try one of the Kind variety packs. Best Fruity, Bare Natural Apple Chips. Sometimes you may have the best intentions when you bring fruit to work, but you might forget about it, and then end up throwing it in the trash when it goes bad. With Bare Natural apple chips, you can still get a healthy, fruity snack without the pressure of eating it right away. They're made from fresh apples that are sliced, then slowly baked until crunchy. Free of added oil, sugar and anything artificial, they're delicious when eaten alone, added as a topping to yogurt or oatmeal, or paired with almond or peanut butter. You'll get 24.5 Oz bags, with 12 each of their cinnamon and Fuji and red flavors. If you like to mix it up with other fruits, Bare Natural chips are also available in banana or coconut.